in the midst of darkness. After the Third World War, from ashes of the old world, we rise once more. Silent were the cities, cold the shattered skies. From centuries of slumber, the last of mankind rise.
Through fire and fallen kingdoms, through steel and broken stone, we forge a new dominion. The future is our
united, marching through the flame, one banner in the wasteland, one empire, one name. From oceans turned to deserts, from shadows of despair, we claim the stars as birthright. No enemy shall dare. The future is here.
glory to the empire, glory to united earth. We are the empire of terror.
A new age given birth, raise the sword of earth high, let eternity reply. In the year 2500,
We come